Hello and welcome to In with Aishamie. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to create stunning contents. Wow, how to create I can't believe I'm teaching this. How to create viral, funny 3D content. Yes, that you have been seeing on this TikTok. That you've been seeing that people are making money. What you don't know, you don't know. What you don't know, you don't know. I'm telling you. So, if you are here now, if you are here now, oh God, I greet you. Well done. We are going to make money together. Say yes. We are making money together. Say yes. So, I'm going to be teaching you how to create 3D funny content. So, let's get started. So on ChatGPT, if you are here now, if you are here now, here where we are now, I know that you will have watched the previous video. Yes, you will have watched the previous video. So the previous video. Sorry, let's get started. On your ChatGPT, this is my ChatGPT. So click on your ChatGPT. This thing. Sorry. Click on it, then on your ChatGPT. So if you don't have, download it too. I don't want this video to be long like that. Or let me just help for those that just coming in. If you don't have this ChatGPT, try and go to your Play Store and download ChatGPT. Then sign up with your Google account sharply. That's what you do. Then you see, this will ask ChatGPT. Hello, ChatGPT. Give me a funny skit. Fun. You say you must say 3D. Funny 3D skit of an old woman that I can generate with Veo3. Then click on this arrow button to generate your. Click on it, toggle on it to generate your prompts. Oh, you now go to your Google Flow. Go to your Google Flow. Click on Google Flow. Then on Google Gemini. So you search for Google Flow on your Chrome browser. Then click on it to generate your video. So click on this. So I've copied the prompt I generate from ChatGPT. I've copied. So this where text to video. You see text to video. So the text to video. Click on it. Then let me show you this also. Very fast. Then yeah, you click on this place. So let me show you. You see landscape. Then you see landscape. If you see here, also if you touch here, if you want to create with landscape, or you want to 16:9 for YouTube size, then for portraits, let me show you, and click this that place. You see I click the where I put arrow, where you see arrow button turn down the triangle something. You see landscape and portrait. So you choose one out of it. Is landscape you want, or let me choose this portrait and click on it to change to. It has changed to portrait. Can you see? So has changed to portrait. See here, see that's a normal landscape. So that's how to get it. Then add your video. This paste it. So let's to then paste it. This my I'm single. Why are you saying it? So click the arrow button. What arrow button to generate the video. Can you see that this one is landscape? This one is landscape. So the one we are generating now is the one we are generating now is portraits for TikTok. So you can change this. You can change if you want the landscape. So I just want to use. I'm going to be using the landscape also. So let's first see this. You wait to let it to generate. So you to while we are here now, you will have watched the previous video how to get your Google Gemini, Google AI Pro. So if you have not watched the video how to get your Google AI Pro, so you go back to the video, then watch how to get your Google AI Pro for free, and how to create your hyper realistic video. So go about it. I teach you how you can get your Google AI Pro for free. Yes, go back to the previous video and watch it. Please go back to the previous video and watch it. So I don't want this video to be long. That's why I'm telling you to go back and watch it. So our video is now ready. So you click this thing, this arrow, this thing, the triangle thing, then to watch your video.
See Rato, Nara they pursue me. Somebody help me, oh.
So that's it. So let's use. That's how to create funny skits. So let me go back to this. Sorry. There are so many things you can create with this thing, but if you're interested in joining the advanced class, so I'm going to be teaching you. It's not much, the amount is not much like that, but if you are not joining the advanced class, so you don't need this, you can still use it and make money. But for the advanced class, I show you 100%. I'm going to walk you through this step, how to do it. I'm going to walk you through the step. So let us use landscape. As we said before, this, you click on this, then click on the where portrait, then click on landscape. You toggle on the landscape, so it's now on landscape. So know that it's on landscape. So this is how to click. Can you see? You know that one way. Can you see now? That is landscape, like YouTube side. So now let me paste the prompt again to generate it. So our video is ready. So this is the landscape. Sorry for that. So let me play it.
See Rato, Nara they pursue me. Somebody help me, oh. See Rato, Nara they pursue me. Somebody help me, oh.
Can you see? So that's how to generate your funny skits. 3D funny skits animation. So that's how to generate it. So if this video is helpful to you, so don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, then share to so that some people will benefit from this also. Please help me to share the video so that some people will benefit. So if you want to join the advanced class, so you can DM me. Then don't forget to create your own, then do your assignments to send it in the so that I can check it for you. So see you in the next video. Thanks.